Question number 3. Convert improper fractions and arrange in ascending order. So here the fraction which is given in mixed one, we have to convert this mixed into improper. So all the given numbers, first of all, we will convert into improper. So A, it is 2 1 upon 5. When it is given in mixed, how to change in improper? Denominator we will multiply with the whole number and then we will add 1 in that. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. Clear? Moving ahead with B, it is 7 3 upon 2. Then again denominator multiply with whole number. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 3 will be 17 upon 2. Then we have C, 9 1 upon 3. 3 9s are 27. In 27 we will add this 1. It will become 28 upon 3. Moving ahead with D, it is 4 2 upon 5. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22 upon 5. Then next one is 8 1 upon 6. 6 8s are 48. 49 upon 6. Then F, we have 5 3 by 5. 5s are 25. 26 27 28 upon 5. So here you can see mixed fractions. I have converted them into improper one. Then it is written here and arrange in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest in order you have to arrange. So all these improper numbers which are given now, we have to arrange them in ascending order. For this now I'll tell you what you have to do. First of all, you write them in sequence like this: 11 upon 5, 17 upon 2, 28 upon 3, 22 upon 5, 49 upon 6 and 28 upon 5, like this. First of all, you write all the fractions like this. After this now, you have to arrange them from small to big. For that, the denominators which are given here, you have to find their LCM. Understood? Denominators, you will find the LCM. So how to find the LCM? Writing the numbers, that is 5 2 3 5 6 5. 5 2 3 5 6 again 5. This is the question, na? 5 2 3 5 6 and 5. So here you can see all the denominators which are given, all these we will find the LCM. Why we are finding LCM? Because we have to arrange them in ascending order. So first of all, begin with 2. So 5 is not coming in the table of 2. Here 1, then 3, 5, 2 3s are 6, again 5. Now we'll come to 3, 5, then 1, 5, 1 and 5 again. Now in the table of 5, 1, 1, everywhere 1. So 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3s are 6 and 30. The LCM which we get here is 30. Now all these numbers we will solve with this 30. How to solve? Pay attention. We will write here 11 upon 5 first. Okay. We'll put a equal to sign here and then in denominator we will write here 30. First of all 11 upon 5 and then equal to sign we'll write here 30. In the table of 5, 30 is coming how many times? In the table of 5, 30 is coming how many times? 30 is coming 6 times. Okay, so 11 also we will multiply with 6. 11 6 are 66. Clear? Similar thing, means same we have to do with rest of the given fractions also. I'll do it here. Next fraction given here is 17 upon 2. So in the table of 2, this LCM, LCM that is 30, we will write here. So in the table of 2, 30 is coming how many times? 15 times. 17 also we will multiply with 15. In rough you can multiply. $255 will come here. Got it? Then moving ahead, 28 upon 3. like this, equal here 30. In the table of 3, 30 will come 10 times, now, and it is also 10, so 280. Moving ahead with same, 22 upon 5, again here 30 into 6, is also 6, so it will 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, then 132. Okay, then next one is 49 upon 6 equal 30. So in the table of 6, 30 comes 5 times. This also 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. 5 4s are 24 here. Then we have 28 upon 5. In the table of 5, we get 30 again 6 times. So 6 8s are 48. 4 carry. 12 plus 4, 16. Okay, so all these numbers now you can see. Here we get 66 upon 30. Here we are getting 255 upon 30. Everywhere denominators you can see are same. So we will find the LCM first of all, and that LCM we will solve with all the given improper numbers. Now we will compare. We have to write in ascending order, na? So now we will compare all the given numerators. Now we will compare all the given numerators. So among these, which is the smallest numerator? Which is the smallest numerator? 66 upon 30. This is the smallest one, na? So we will write like this, 66 upon 30. After this, which is the smallest one? You see, 132. So we'll write 132 upon 30. After this, which is the smallest one? 168. So we'll write 168 upon 30. Then moving forward, we have 245 is smaller. So 245 upon 30. Then we have 255 upon 30, and last one 280 upon 30. Clear? So like this, we will write all the numbers in ascending order. But this will not be your answer. Your answer exactly will be this 66 upon 30 is answer for which number? 66 upon 30 is your answer for 11 upon 5, right? So in this place you will write 2 1 upon 5. In ascending order, 2 1 upon 5. Are you getting this? And then we have 132 upon 30. So 132 is the answer for 22 upon 5. So 22 upon 5 is the answer for 4 2 upon 5. 4 2 upon 5. So 4 2 upon 5. Then we have 168. So 168 is the answer for 28 upon 5, which is for 5 3 by 5. Are you getting this? First of all these numbers we will write, and these numbers are answers for which digits here. Accordingly, we will write that. After this, 168 we are done with. Now 245 is the answer for 49 upon 6, that is 8 1 upon 6. And 255 is for 17 upon 2, 7 3 upon 2. And then next last one is 280, which is for 9 1 upon 3. So this is your ascending order for the given fraction. Clear? So question number 3 is written to convert into improper. All the mixed one, firstly we will convert in improper. So here we have converted into improper. You all know how to convert, na? Denominator multiply with whole number and add the numerator. And all these numbers which are given, fractions, we'll write here. And those fraction denominators which are given, we will find the LCM. The LCM which we get, we will solve one by one with all the given numbers. How? First of all, we have 11 upon 5. We'll put equal to, and that LCM we will write here. In this 5, 30 will come 6 times. So with this 6, we will multiply 11 also. Same we will do with the rest of the numbers, and then we will write them in ascending order. The answers we will write in ascending order, and those answers we will find in the question, and accordingly we will complete with ascending order. So this was your question number 3.